How's everyone doing today? Tim Smith. I got a little marketing tip for you for some SEO. So a lot of people are paying five, six, 700 a month, if not in the thousands. And a lot of that doesn't make sense to me. I understand why companies do it because they're trying to make more money. However, once you initially set up your SEO, it's not set it and forget it, but you got to set it up and you can monitor it. But it doesn't cost you, or I should say, it doesn't cost a marketing agency that much to go on there and just monitor it. So what we do, instead of charging those high dollar amounts, we take and we have a setup fee at the beginning, and that covers us getting that set up. And we go through your website in the back end, check for keywords, make sure the keywords are set up, uh, make sure all the backlinks, the meta links, the conical links, and that's all stuff that's hidden within your website. And we fix all those things, and then we just roll with it. And then each month we do a marketing report that shows your SEO score. And if it drops, that's when we would go in and fix it. So instead of charging those 500 plus a month, we charge, like I said, the setup fee and then a small reduced amount, which is going to save you a lot of money. Uh, if you're paying 500 a month for SEO, which the majority of people that get SEO done, that's what the average price is for just starting out. Um, you'll save 4,500 bucks versus what we charge. So click the link below. It's a link to my schedule and my calendar. Let's set up a time, 15, 20-minute call, see what we can do for you and see how your SEO score is. It might be okay. And if it's okay, great. If we can do better for you, we'll show you what we can do. And let's go from there. So if you have any questions about SEO, any type of marketing, please give me a call. I have 26 years experience in the marketing and business development field, as well as having 4 years in the asphalt industry. So I understand that industry and the struggles that the contractors have. So it puts me in a unique position to be able to help you. And look forward to talking to you guys. Have a blessed day.